guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow Pows. If you take a second to subscribe, also make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So listen, as far as my midweek, I need 15 offers for $5. This should be pretty easy though, because Sally has been on repeat, resetting on repeat. And I can't thank Sally. She's the homie. I can't thank her enough. Because yeah, she's making these bonuses easy to hit, because up until this point it's been a struggle. It's been a real big struggle with the Swiffer. I didn't get the Swiffer for Walmart Rewards. They changed it, they pulled it, whatever you want to call it, but it does not work with the cheaper ones. And so I did have to return those. The Secret and the Febreze I repurchased, and I got my Walmart rewards. I did rewards yesterday. I did some today. It is working. It's just there's just times from time to time it don't work, you know, and all you can really do is return it. It sucks. I wish customer service was more helpful. I mean, I know they'll throw you a little bone, a little promo code here and there, but I really wish they were more helpful. I be feeling like majority of the time, it just the person I'm talking to don't be knowing what they don't be knowing what I'm talking about. And so with that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what you're ready to do, hit the like button and keep on watching. So this first deal is on the Strong Roots frozen fries. These are priced at $4.74. We have an offer on Shopkick for 700 kicks, which is $2.80. It would make it $1.94 per bag. So next up is the jammies. It doesn't look like this store carries them. There is a 75% back offer on Social Nature, $1 back on Ibotta. So it'll make them only 49 cents. All right, yeah. So this next deal here is on the George's Farmers Market. I got this for Field Agent, like I guess a week or so ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and I actually really like it. And so there is a free offer. I want to say it's through IO. I'll have a link in the description or the Google Doc. But we also have an offer on Social Nature for 50% back with a limit of a max amount of $4.50. So I found one that was priced at $10.19. Getting back the $4.50 on Social Nature, the full price through IO, would make it a $4.50 moneymaker. Really quick, keep your eyes peeled for these hang tags. They don't expire till January the 15th of 27, which is cool. So I'm going to snag a few of them. But keep your eyes peeled. And so yeah. All right, we have an offer on Social Nature. It's a free offer on the Jovial gluten-free pasta, priced at $4.68. I'm getting that back, making that absolutely free. All right, y'all. So this deal here is on the Pancho's dip. Now it doesn't look like they carry it at this location. I'll have to pop up a picture. I grabbed it at a different store yesterday, and this is where it was. But anyways, it's on rollback for $4.77. Now for this, you want to grab 2 of them. We have 2 different offers on Ibotta that are double attaching. One is $2, one is $1.50. So grabbing 2, you'll pay $9.54. You'll get back a total of $7 on Ibotta, which I did. And then we also have a free offer on IO. It's buy one, get one free. So you get back the $4.77 there, making this a $2.23 moneymaker. All right, next up is the Oatly oat milk creamer, priced at $4.24. We have a free offer on IO, making it absolutely free. All right, you guys, this one right here smells so good. This orange one, if I didn't think Joseph would freak the hell out, I would totally get it, but it smells so good. So this deal here is on the Airwick Essential Mist up there. The refill ones are the warmers. And I just realized they have a white one, which is pretty cool. Priced at $7.48. So I went ahead and grabbed one. I used this coupon right here. I use this coupon right here. If you know, you know. All right, use it in self-checkout, scan perfectly fine. That brings the total down to $3.48. I'm getting back 5 on Ibotta, limit of 1, making it $1.51 moneymaker. And of course, you could always grab the higher ones with the oil. I was going to get this one, but I didn't. I was just like, look, it's really not that serious. And they have this new scent right here. And so, yeah, but I went ahead and grabbed this one since it was a moneymaker. So yeah, so this deal here is a Field Agent buy and try. It's on the Weber grill spray. It's priced at $5.14. Getting back $8.14 is going to make this a $3 moneymaker. Now, I also have one for the seasoning over here as well. It's on the garlic rodeo seasoning. It's priced at $5.98. And for that, you're getting back $8.98, making that a $3 moneymaker as well. All right, y'all. So this next deal here is on the Crest Pro Health. Now, I am doing the same identical deal that I saw my best deals do. It's on the Crest Pro Health. They're on clearance for $2.50. Now for this, you want to grab 2 of them. That's what it's going to come to $5. I redeemed for a $5 OTC card for P&G, which you can get for scanning P&G product receipts. It accumulates the points, and when you hit 800, I want to say it's 800 points, you can cash out for $5. All right, so that's what I did. So I scanned that at checkout. I paid nothing and got back $4 for Walmart cash, making this a $4 moneymaker. Now, if you don't have an OTC card, you would just pay the $5, get back $4, making them 50 cents each, which is still not bad. So I went ahead and did that on my other Walmart account as well. And so yeah, so this next deal here is on the Dove. It's on the Crumble hand soap. They're priced at $3.97. I've done this deal 3 times. What I've been doing is grabbing them in sets of 3. You'll get back 600 kicks on Shopkick, $2 on Ibotta. It brings them down to like 43-cent money, which is really awesome. And yeah, not a bad deal. And they smell really, really good. One of our stores that have it all locked up so you can't scan nothing. The other store, theirs is locked up. The cases are open, but they don't have anything on clearance. And I want to scan some stuff here, but everything is locked up. I don't even see any clearance prices for Sally. But I did go to a different store and I found some for $2. I found some of these, not $2, $2.50. $2 back on Ibotta makes them 50 cents. And then I also found some of these down here as well for $1.50. $1 back on Ibotta makes those 50 cents. What else did I find? I also found one of the tanning ones, like lotions. I don't see any. I found one of those for $2.50, getting back $2 on Ibotta. So made that 50 cents as well. Oh, look at y'all. Oh my gosh, this makes my OCD so happy. My heart is crying right now. Look how beautiful this looks. Bless the person who did this. It is not going unnoticed. I notice you. I see you. I see you. It's sad that this kind of stuff doesn't last long, but this deal here is on the secret whole body right here. It's priced at $4. Grabbing 2, you'll pay 8, get back 7 for Walmart rewards. Makes them 50 cents each. Oh my gosh, y'all, this just makes my heart just smile. My heart is smiling. It's like, oh. Anyways, if you can relate, let me know. All right, this is one item that I know all the stores are clearancing out. It's on the W brand, Jake Paul's brand. A lot of them are on clearance. Now, the store that I was at, that I did the last time, they had some of the sprays on clearance too. This store and the last store that I went to, yesterday rather, they only have the sticks, the bars, and the body wash on clearance. But as you can see, they're really relatively cheap. And so what I did is I grabbed 2 of the sticks at $1.50. I paid 3. There's an offer for Social Nature. It's buy one, get one free. The last time I did it, I did get back more. It's still processing, so I'll let you know how it works out. Worst case, well, not even the worst case, it makes them 75 cents each. I forgot to mention there's an aisle offer as well on this brand. It's buy 2, get 1 free. So what I did in my last video you guys saw, I grabbed 4 of them and submitted the 2 sticks. Buy one, get one free on Social Nature, and 2 of the sprays, buy one, get one free on Social Nature. And then we got another one free for aisle. So I bought 4 and got 3 of them free. Actually, it ended up being a moneymaker, I believe, because I got back more than I expected on Social Nature. And so yeah, stuff over here is on clearance though. I did see Shea Moisture
on clearance. I think the other store I went to, they had these for $3. I thought we had $4 hang tags not too long ago. Honey pots are all $3. I'll have to see if we have offers for that. Shea Moisture, as well on clearance. Low Toms. Um, yeah, so, but anyways, not a bad deal. All right, y'all, so doesn't look like they have any, but if you can find a single blue lavender, it's priced at $4.98. It's been that price at all the stores I've gone to. So for this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $9.96, getting back $8 for Ibotta. It's also available for Walmart Rewards as well. I'm bringing them down to only 98 cents, which is not bad. So with that being said, I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown.
Yeah, so here is my complete haul for today. Everything here worked out good. I'm gonna try to breeze through this. I do have a lot of receipts. And so yeah, so I'm gonna try to run through this really quick. All right, so everything here worked out good though. With the Dove, I did do that 3 days in a row. One of you guys asked me with Shopkick if it like resets the same day, can you do it again? In the past, we were able to. I told you, I just got back into Shopkick after a year off from using them after the whole Old Spice situation. And so I don't know if it's different. I just don't chance it. I just do it the next day. And so with the Dove, the first 2 times I did it, I got back $1,800 for the 3. And then the last time I think I got back 13 something, 50. It was a little less, but it was still a great deal. I have a link for you for the farmer's market in the description. I just finished doing that. I was gonna get the season one, but I feel like I can do more with this. And this is the chicken that I used when I made my chicken pot pie with those croissant crust things. It was this kind, and that's why I kind of just stuck to this because it's plain. It's not like overly seasoned or whatever. And so there was that. The link for that, when you put your phone number and your email, it's gonna go to your spam. So automatically check your spam for that. For the Panchos, that I was really hoping to find 2 different flavors, but hey, cheese is cheese, queso is queso. And so that ended up being a really, really awesome deal. I already got back the $4.77 from Isle. And obviously it double dipped on Ibotta, so I got that back already as well. I'm still waiting for the receipt for Social Nature, and that's everything. That's the sun butter, the Jovial, the Oatly milk, the deodorant, and the Farmers. So everything is, I don't know why it's taking so long, but I did it yesterday and it hasn't gone through yet. The chicken I just did today. All of my other Walmart rewards went through between both accounts. I think we got back $43 from our rewards this time around between 2 accounts, which is really cool. Like I said, everything normally works out with Walmart rewards. So I hope that you guys trying to deal with a Swiffer and it not working, I hope that didn't scare you away, because Walmart reward, it still works, you know, especially if it's a really great deal. And so with that being said, because I've talked long enough, everything you see here retails $223.84. I had 57 in coupons. That was the printables plus the OTC. And yeah. All right, so that brought the out of pocket down to $166.84. Our sales tax was $16.03. Getting back $49 from Ibotta. Walmart Rewards is $43. Field Agent is $30.62. Shopkick is $24.12. With Shopkick, there is I'm not sure if the promo code is still good. I was going to mention it in my last video, but it didn't go through. I didn't get it, so I didn't mention it. I'll pop it up. Amy shared it with me. Hopefully it's still available. When you scan 5 items, you get 750 kicks. I didn't get the kicks. I had to reach out to support and they gave me the 750. But I'll pop up the promo code for that. So Shopkick, yeah, $24.12. I did cash up our Brandclub for $22.01. One of you guys asked me, am I still using Brandclub? I am. I sync my Brandclub account and I do the surveys from time to time. So $22.01 there. Social Nature is $20.51. I'm not sure if I'll get back more than the $1.51 for the deodorant, but I'll let you guys know and I'll pin a comment if I get back more. But as of now, at face value, $20.51. The chicken offer is $10.19,
and then aisle is $4.77. So getting back a total of $204.22 is gonna make everything that you see here free plus a $37.38 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. Let me mention this really quick because I'm not sure if it's still available. These right here, because I just had one yesterday, and let me tell you, these are good. Those protein puff things that we got, cloud thing, no. That's a whole entire, no. These right here, really good. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I'm not sure if this is still available. It's for aisles at Dollar Tree. When you buy 4, you get the cost back. So pay 5, get 5 back. And so, yeah, I'll leave a link if it's still available. These are really, really good, though. I just love when we get offers on stuff that and I just had one of these jammies. Thought Josiah might like them, but he wasn't even trying to open a pack, let alone look at it. And so those are really good. So I love when we get to try stuff and we like it and it makes us a fan like this. These are so freaking good and convenient. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. In the comments, what's one thing that you got free and use a fan, like a whole entire fan? With that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.